happy new year to everyone. I wish you all a successful year ahead. Today we're going to be trading the volatility 50 index up down using this timer. I've uploaded this I'm talking about this timer, this one right here. I've uploaded it on our forum website, www.nigercruise.com, so you can download it freely. This is a link to download the timer. Is a link right here. So all this information will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to sign up for a free trader account, and this is the link to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel. So all these infos will be pasted on the video description on YouTube. Today we'll be dropping two strategies, one on the new channel and one on the old channel. So make sure you subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button to subscribe to both channels. Just hit the subscribe button to subscribe. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we'll be trading the volatility 50 index up down. So all the rules for this strategy is stated right here. All the link. You can trade 10 times using this strategy. Then make sure you stake one high amount or two in between the trades. Just take one high amount or two, maybe after the third trade or the sixth trade. Everything is stated right here. So let's get back to the trading. Make sure you are using the webtrader. So after signing up for a free trader account, just use the webtrader. Let me push this right here. This timer has so many skins, so you can right click and change the skins. This is the default skin, so I'm going to change this to green. So let me just set this to 1 hour, then I will start the timer very soon once I set the trade. So let me push this right here. Continuous index, so push it. I'm going to reopen it again. Okay, so first let's open the trade volatility 50 index. So I'm going to push this right here, then I'm going to push the timer right here. I've opened another timer. So we'll be using a calculator as well. So this is what we are starting with. Remember, we can trade 10 times, but we are going to lose some trades, but at the end of the day we'll end up in profit. So this is what we are starting with, 71065.20. So right here, let me just set this to an hour, then let me set this. So you click on up down, then we click on rise, then we'll have to change the durations to tick, then we'll be setting this to 3 ticks. So our first trade, as stated in the strategy, you need to stake high amounts in between the trades. Let's assume we are trading 10 times. We can stake high amounts in the third trade or sixth trade or seventh trade. So our first trade we will try with low amounts because we have 95% profit right here. So after 30 seconds we will be clicking on purchase. Immediately after 30 seconds, after the first trade, we click on purchase again after 30 seconds or 35 seconds, but it should be in between 30-35 seconds. So we're going for our first trade. This one should always be in rise. So we're going for our first trade, and I'm going to start the timer now. The reason why you use this timer is because of the seconds counting. So I've started the timer. So the timer is counting now. You can see this is the seconds. This is the only thing you need to be working with. This is seconds. So once it's around 30 seconds, I'll click on purchase. Remember, we're working with this right here. This is the hour and this is the seconds. Sorry, minutes, seconds, and hour. So close to 30. Okay. So you can start counting again when the outcome of this one showed up. So you can see we won the first trade. We are just, let's start counting again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going for trade number 2. So when is, so we are just 1 minute short, so let's count like 20. When is 40 seconds, that will be 30. We'll click on purchase. We click on purchase. So when is exactly 57 minutes, we click on purchase again. So we lost that trade number 2. So in our trade number 3, I will be staking 100 USD. So 100 USD. So when is exactly 57 minutes, we click on purchase. That should be about 30 something seconds after the second trade. Okay, that's our third trade. Okay, we won the third trade. So we'll change this amount back again to the low amount. Don't stake high amount again. So we're going for trade number 4. We're going for trade number 4. So after like let's say when this change to 55 seconds or there, but that should be about 35 seconds after the third trade. Once it's 55 seconds, we click on purchase. Then that should be about 10 seconds. That's okay. We click on purchase right there. So that's our fourth trade. Let's wait for the result. You can see we won the fourth trade. So we are going for the fifth trade. So make sure that your trade is always 30 to 35 seconds after the last one. So let's wait for this to get to maybe 30 again. So we click on purchase. That's 30 seconds. Remember, we only lost one and we stake one high amount, so then we change the value back to the low amount. We can purchase again. So once this is so we won that trade, we won the fifth trade. We are going for the sixth trade. So once this is 55 minutes, we click on purchase. That should be 30 seconds after the fifth trade. So we are going for the sixth trade right now. Okay, we click on purchase. So once this is in 30 seconds again, we click on purchase for the seventh trade. So we won the sixth trade. We are going for the seventh trade. So once this is 30, we click on purchase. We can wait for it to start counting after the last trade, so that the timing will be clear to you. So that's the seventh trade. After this, we go for the eighth trade. We only lost one trade. Remember, we stake an high amount once, just once. You can stake high amount twice, but once you lose a trade, you just take high amount once, then you change back to the low amount. So we won the eighth trade. So we are going for the, sorry, we won the seventh trade. We are going for the eighth trade. So let's start counting again. So when is about 30 seconds, we click on purchase again. Let's wait for about 30 seconds. Our return is 95.3%. So we have high return in this strategy, and we only lost one. So even if you lose 3 times, you will still be in profit, because you will stake high amount as 30 seconds after the last trade. You will stake high amount once and you will still be in profit. So we are going for the ninth trade. Okay, you can see we won the 8th trade. We want the 8th trade, so we're going for the 9th trade. After the 9th trade, we'll go for the last trade. So let's wait again for it to start counting. 12, 11. So when is in 40 seconds, we'll click on purchase. We are looking at these seconds right here, not the minutes. That will be 30 something seconds after the last trade. So when it's in 40 seconds, we click on purchase. So make sure you get the timing correctly. Make sure you get it correctly, and stake high amount once during the trading section. Maybe after the 3rd trade or the 4th trade, or immediately you lose the trade, you stake high amount, then you change it back to low amount. That's 40 seconds. We click on purchase. So we are going for the last trade. We only lost one trade in this section, and we trade 10 times. So don't forget to stake high amount, then you change back to low amount. Don't stake high amount continuously. So once this is in, okay, let's say 52 minutes, click on purchase. Once this seconds change to 00, that should be 30 seconds after the last trade or more. Okay, we click on purchase as the last trade. So we trade 10 times, and let's see the outcome. So okay, we traded 10 times and we lost just twice, but at the end of the day we will still be in profit. So let's do the math. So this strategy is all about waiting after 30 to 35 seconds before the next trade. So you can place up to 10 trades. Then make sure you stake high amount in one of your trades. So that will make you to still be in profit after the trading section. So let's do the math and see what we made during this trading section. So we start with 71065.20, and we have 71137.92 minus 71065 71065.20. So we made $72.72 in this trading section, and that's still something. We traded 10 times. So if you stake higher, we may make more, but you have to follow the strategy so that you'll be in profit after the whole trading section. Thanks for watching. Bye.